Today I'll show you how to knit slippers from the squares. It's very popular right now. Cast on 21 stitches. Knit the first row on the wrong side. Three middle stitches together. Continue on the wrong side, knitting all stitches. On the right side, knit three middle stitches together. This is the first square. Cast on 10 stitches. Stitches. Now chain 11 stitches. 11 stitches. There are 21 stitches on the needle. Now knit the square as in the previous version. Knit first row. In the second row on the right side, knit the three middle stitches together. Knit 3 squares. Now cast on 10 stitches along this side. It's the wrong side. Cast on from back. From back. Ten stitches. And 11 stitches. There are 21 stitches on the needle. This is the right side. So knit the three middle stitches together. Three middle stitches all together. And continue knitting the square as before. It looks like this. Now pick up stitches along this edge. From the back. cast on 11 stitches. There are 11 stitches on the needle now. Knit 6 rows. Six rows. Next, one slip. Work 2 stitches together. 5 knit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 stitches together. Purl. And next row, knit. Next row, one slip, 2 stitches together, 3 knit, 1, 2, 3, 2 stitches together, and purl. Total 7 stitches. Slip the stitches onto the cable needle. With the second color, pick up 21 stitches here and knit the square, then pick up 21 stitches here and knit another square. 21 stitches. Stitches. Knit first row. It's a wrong side. In the right side, work 3 middle stitches together. It looks like this now. Pick up 21 stitches here. And knit square until 7 stitches on the needle. Move all stitches to one needle, one from here, from here. Work 2 stitches together and cast off. Two stitches together and cast off. And sew all. Slippers are ready.